treatment of erectile dysfunction. Nowadays, three medicines are widely used throughout the world for the treatment of the erectile dysfunction. Sildenafil, vardenafil, then there is tadalafil. These three drugs, they are used in the form of pills, and they are very effective and produces satisfactory results in the patients. Though these medicines, they produces acceleration in the function of the nitric oxide, due to which the circulation of the penis is increased and there is erection of the penis due to this stimulation. Next is the treatment by the three medicine combination injection, that is prostaglandin, papaverine and phentolamine. This is three medicine combination injection is given by the minute syringe or minor syringe in the lateral side of the penis, and this is very effective and immediate effect is produced within 5 minutes. There is erection and that lasts for about 2 or 3 hours, and these are widely used by the diabetic patients. So in addition, when there is deficiency of the hormone testosterone, if that is indicated by the blood estimation, then there are also the capsules of testosterone. There are injections for intramuscular use. There are sprays, ointments. So these are also used for the treatment of the erectile dysfunctions. In addition to this medical treatment, there are mechanical devices which are manufactured for the treatment of this ED. Vacuum pump device which has a tube, penis is placed in this tube, there is a pump which produces the vacuum, and due to this vacuum production the blood is gushed, as that is that is pushed into the vessels of the penis. So due to this increase in circulation, there is transitory or temporarily increase in the erection of the penis. So it is a not a permanent treatment, but it is for the time being or the temporary one. Next one is, that is penile implants. These comprises of two rods which are placed on the sides of the penis. There is a reservoir by the urologist by surgery put or fit the reservoir in the sacrotal cavity. There is a pump, a button for on and off. So in this, when you have to perform the sexual function, then you pump the system, the blood which is present in the reservoir that gushes into the rods, and those rods they become erect and that pushes the penis upwards in erection position. So it is a only affected for the person who are above 60 to 80 years range. So these are the mechanical devices which are produced for the aged persons who are above 60 years by the, and these are performed by the urologist, trained urologists, they produce it. Then there are, if there are vascular pathologies, they are produced by the surgeons. Vascular repair is done to improve the circulation of the penis. So these are the various steps which are adopted by the patient after the consultation with the urologist. They advise the various medicines which I have already explained and I have already mentioned, or the mechanical devices or the operative surgery ones. So these are various steps which are used for the eradication of the erectile dysfunction.